I wanna show you how to add zoom in text bounce effect in Premiere Pro, let's go! First of all, let's select the type tool and write the text. Following, go to the Essential Graphs and make some changes in terms of the size of the text. Then select the text and go to the speed duration. Let's write 15 frames. Move to the Effects control and activate the scale. The stopwatch icon will appear. Let's change the value to 1200. Move ahead 5 frames and change the value to 95. Again, move ahead 5 more frames and change the value to 100. The last step is copy your effect to another text. Right-click of the mouse on the vector motion, copy, then select the other text and Ctrl-V. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.